Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will click in this window of Coinbase and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. Then you will search about Coinbase and you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.